Hello, this is Rusafa. Now I'm going to write a code in which we will use array. We will know about memory location, and what we're actually going to do is we are going to take the value of elements in an array, and there will be 20 elements, and then we are going to compute the summation of each and every element in that array, and finally we have to find the average. And we know that, okay, let's start from the beginning. This code takes the value of 20 elements in an array, finds sum and average. So we know that average means the summation divided by the total number of elements or total number of things. Here it is elements or total number of elements. So there is a question in this problem that where will be the elements saved, in stack or in heap. So my answer is the elements or the values in the elements of the array will be saved in stack. Saved in stack. Okay, now let's start. Integer mean we have to find the sum, we have to find average. So let's declare, and everything will start from 0. So there is another question in this problem that what do we mean by integer sum equals to 0? It means that whatever the process is, when there is the call of this variable, it will start processing from 0. Integer average equals to 0. And then the number of elements, let's take it as x, it will also start from 0. So from 0 to 19 it makes 20. From 1 to 20 it makes 21. From 0 to 20 it makes 21 elements. So as we are starting from 0, so in the loop or any other process we are using here, we will give it's up to 19. I will show you it later. And then let's declare the array number 20. That's it. Now since we want to print all those values, all those elements, and the user will define the values, so what we have to do is use a for loop. So let's use a for loop, and here will be x equals to 0, x is less than equals to what it will be? It will be 19. It means that as we are starting from 0, it will end at 19, and 0 to 19 means 20 elements. If it was starting from 1, then we would have written here 20. Okay, and then gradually the x will increment, and it will we will get, and for this condition we will have to print. We can write enter the integer number. First of all, it will tell us that enter the integer number 0. Then gradually it will increase. Since it's incrementing here, we can see that enter the integer number 1, enter the integer number 2, and so on. But we have to scan this value. We have to write %d. At press 2, it will be not x because we have a number of elements here. We have 20 elements here, so it's better to write number x. It represents an array. So this is our main condition, and then we have to do summation. And for summation, we have to make it understand that you have to make sum from first element to second element, then their sum will be added to the third element, then that sum will be added to the fourth element, and gradually the process will go on since the element is 19. Until the element is 19th number, the process will go on. The summation will be the summation of all the numbers, all the elements in this array. So we again have to declare the same for loop here. Yeah, and for this for loop, what will it do? It will find the sum. Sum equals to sum plus sum, the first sum plus number of x or number of elements. Number of x, yeah, that it is. Closing the brace. Then it will find average. And what is that average? We have written here, average is summation divided by total number of elements. So average equals to sum, this sum divided by, what is the total number of elements here? 20. So we will write 20, and that's how the sum will be printed here. Printf %d average. So we want to add a new line here, otherwise it will look clumsy. Average. So that's it, and then it will finally return nothing. So that's our code. Let's write some. It will take input of the values of elements of an array. Since we are starting from x equals to 0, it will end up at x equals to 19. That's it. And then it will print the number, then it will scan the numbers, then it will find the sum, and then it will find the average. It's to the number 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 7. Okay, so it's 3. So the result is 3 and we want a new line here. We have a new line that it erased. Okay, again. 1, 1. So let me give 1 to check whether it is actually working or giving fake results or not. So it's giving 1. Okay, it's giving 1 because it was giving 1. So let's check with another number. It's giving 5. It will be 5. So yeah, it's working. So here I'm going to conclude everything. So thank you.